We're in Zach's M Roadster. It just got fresh paint, PPF, and now it's time for some mods. So we got some wheel spacers, we got some suspension, but today we're talking exhaust. Zach, what do we have for your car?
Well, we got the stock exhaust now, and we're going to do a before clip, little drive to lunch here to our favorite city barbecue spot in New Albany here on a Friday.
Going to see Carol?
Carol's our favorite at City Barbecue New Albany. We're going to do a little before exhaust rundown.
Yeah, we got a nice mic, suction cup to the back. It's all set up to hopefully catch the accurate stock sound of this car, and then we're gonna go to the Turner exhaust we have, which I believe is also 40-something pounds lighter.
It's 42 pounds lighter than stock. It's crazy.
That's ridiculous. That is a medium-sized child. We're gonna hit the road, get you some clips, see what that sounds like, and update from there. All right, we're out on the road now. Stock exhaust, really in the car. I feel like I can hear the engine a little more than the actual exhaust, but we've got our mic monitor set up here, and what I'm hearing on the headphones actually sounds pretty good. It's just you can't really hear it that great in the car itself. I feel like you need a set of headphones as well.
I know.
A little side-by-side fighter jet action. Ow! Okay, I like what I'm hearing on the headphones. It's just not enough in real life, I feel like. Oh, there's some rasp. It sounds good. Oh, yeah. All right, we're on the on-ramp right now, getting on the highway. We are getting a decent amount of wind noise, but overall, I'd say stock exhaust, good tone, everything's good. We just need more of it, is what I feel.
Yeah.
We're at our local city barbecue. We're about to go say hi to Carol. She's the best. She better be here.
There she is.
Look at her. Oh, she's trying to beat us.
You're on camera, Carol.
You're
gonna be famous. You're gonna be famous.
Oh,
She already is famous.
for what?
It's your birthday. We heard you're, what is it, 34 today?
35.
She is the bomb.
She gives us free food all the time. She clears our bills, $0 bills, don't you, Carol?
They lie because they think I'm 35, which I'm really not.
We're not going to tell them how old you are.
That's good.
Age is just a number.
It is.
You're like 25 in your mind.
Yes, that's for sure. But I bet neither one of you could keep up with me.
Consensus is we've got that classic BMW throaty inline six sound. It's great from here. We need to be able to hear it in there. So we're gonna get the car up in the air, throw that exhaust on, and hopefully crank up the volume. Zach has the whole new setup laid out, and we can just compare real easily to the stock one. What do you think?
It's crazy how much lighter I already know it's going to be. We were kind of looking around here. This is like solid. It feels like it's
like full of concrete. Yeah.
That's what it sounds like.
Super heavy. Hold one of these up too. They're quite a bit smaller.
Yeah.
Super light.
Kind of see how much difference the size is going to be.
Oh yeah, that's a baby. Looks great too. These welds are awesome.
Super nice welds.
Very satisfying.
I mean, for the amount of money this is like a super high quality setup. I'm really excited to hear it.
Yeah, and it's just a straight pass through. You know, there's minimal baffling going on there. It's going to sound nice and raspy.
Yeah. This is an axle back system that we're installing. So if you can imagine, there's an axle here. It's effectively just a designation of it's from this point back. Now, up there you have a midsection, what they might call an X-pipe on certain cars. Up from there would be the catalytic converters and the headers that come right off the engine. We're going to remove these nuts off of this flange here, this exhaust flange, and then take the whole exhaust in one piece on each side off of the hangers, and then we're installing the new one. Super easy setup. One thing we didn't talk about either is these tips for stock tips look really nice, but hold one of those. That's going to look so good. Yeah. And it's not ridiculous either. It's like a nice OEM plus little tasteful upgrade. Yeah, super cool. They don't make tips like this anymore. Yeah, everything now is like a built into the bumper. Fake exhaust tips. Can't stand it. Explorers. They have turn downs. Turn down right here, and it comes out right here. It's ridiculous. Anyways, yeah, these are real. The fake tips though, that's got to go away. We got to force that out of the auto industry. Yeah, this is a real enthusiast car here. All right, let's get this installed. We have reached our halfway point. We got the driver's side installed. It's looking great. Look at it in comparison to that passenger side. Empty, still full of concrete. Always looks good getting shiny parts bolted on underneath. But there is a massive weight difference
between these. We're gonna throw both of these on the scale and see what the real difference is. First up, we've got this old stocky full of concrete. Let's see what she weighs. All right, remember, this is only half the system. So he's balancing in there, about 34 pounds.
34
They're actually,
pounds.
wait, 34, 50, 35 pounds. We're gonna say 35 pounds for half the system. Now we've got our new tiny Turner exhaust. Wait, what do you think it's gonna be?
Half? 18 pounds maybe?
All right, here we go. Dude, no way.
13 and a half pounds.
All right, so that's like 22 pounds less for half. So we're like 44 pounds lighter. Dude, the old Z3 back there, the old Roadster. She's gonna be getting some weight cuts. First startup with the new Turner exhaust on the M Roadster. Already so much better. How's it sound from in there?
Sounds amazing.
She is grumbling. That sounds great. Go ahead and back it out. I'll get stuff out of your way.
It's not too loud.
It sounds great. Let's get in the car, get it on the road.
For sure, let's go.
Give us a little rev. Oh, we're blown out now. You know it's louder if I gotta turn down the gain. All right, give me another one. Oh yeah, it's so much. Here you go. We're gonna get your reaction.
Oh geez,
Dude, it's so good.
that is fantastic.
All right, let's go run around the complex. Oh yeah, so much more volume. It's just that classic raspy growl.
Yeah, that straight six sound is so much more noticeable.
I feel like we're at Goodwood right now.
Goodwood.
Yes. All right, I gotta take these off in here in real life. I feel like just so far, the volume is perfect.
Yeah, it's not too loud.
No, not too much, not too little.
I mean, just cruising here, I don't think it's going to be any issue. Like drilling on the highway at normal speeds, I don't think any problem.
You're just aware of your RPM audibly now.
Yeah.
You can shift by ear instead of looking at the tach. I asked earlier, did you see a horsepower rating? Like, did they advertise anything?
No, they didn't. I don't know that they did a dyno run before and after.
Okay. There we go. That sounds great. This car is probably like 30% more fun to drive now.
Yes. Yeah.
At least.
Definitely turned it into more of a hooligan car for sure. There were other exhaust systems, as notably Super Sprint and Eisenman, but I thought this one, for the money and what else I had heard about it, was the best bang for the buck.
Well, from everything we saw, good fitment, great welds, stainless steel's great, weight savings like crazy, that noise. I'd say you made a good decision. Let's get a good downshift. Oh yeah, that sounds great. Little Wookiees preview. Now, what if you did 318 of those in 11 miles? That's what we're talking about. And a few of those? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. sounding good.
And then we're back to normal driving. It sounds great. I think
Yeah.
it sounds great.
Absolutely.
Roll the windows up and just have a conversation. Yeah, I'm at 2,700 RPM right now.
Oh, absolutely no drone. All right, well, in summary, I think we can agree that was money well spent.
That's pretty amazing.
I can't wait to listen to that for hours at a time next month at Wookiees in the Woods. That's going to be great.
Are you going to be driving your own car, Jake? I think you should, so you can see the back end of my car the whole week.
Yeah. Might have to happen. I could keep the BMW theme coming and just send the 7 Series on the old Fortunes. It would be a handful. I think you made the right call.
Dude, that thing, it sounds ridiculous. So much better than stock.
This is how it should have sounded from the factory. Plus, we lost 44 pounds. I will say, I agree with Zach. These are a little more period correct tips with the flat cut. But the tips on the car, not that much different. Just a little bit of a miter to them.
Hey, do you want to see how awesome this exhaust is?
Oh, yes. There we go. She's flowing.
Maybe we should have put it just a little bit farther away from the tips. Yeah.
That's a good note to close on. Turner exhaust, great upgrade for them Roadster. Check them out. We'll put a link below. We're like 2.5, 3 weeks from Wookiees in the Woods. Next video will be suspension and some wheel spacers and getting a few other things dialed in for the trip. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, follow us for the next video, and we'll see you in the next one.